Remember the days back in mom's or grandma's place when we always had company over and she used to bring out those revealing photo books of you and your siblings like that and show just the pictures and you'd be so embarrassed? Well, welcome to the new world, guys. We have digital photo frames now. Now everyone can see your embarrassing pictures when they come in. But the great thing is I can edit my pictures, take myself out, and just leave photos of my siblings. Like we always do with this time. So this is it, guys. This is the Kodak Classic photo frame. It's a 10-inch Wi-Fi enabled photo frame. Now it does come in 3 colors. You do have black, titanium, brown wood, and black wood. The color I have is the black wood. Let's open this up and set this up real time, guys. Here we go, here we go, here we go. You have a user manual. Thank you for selecting us. Oh, how nice of them. They shouldn't have. We have a power cable here. We have a USB-C. Yes, we have a USB-C cable here to USB-A. And looks like a kickstand here. So this is gonna be a kickstand to hold the photo frame upright. Now, once we get into here, this is our photo frame right here. Wow, wow. I'm not gonna lie, it feels nice, and I thought this was gonna be all black wood. If you guys can see it right here, it's actually brown and black wood, made like a darker wood tone. All right, we're gonna flip it over real quick. So on the back side right here, guys, we do have inserts, we do have holes right here. The first one here is gonna be for an SD card, for headphones, a regular USB, a USB Type-C, and your power outlet. So that's pretty neat, guys. The fact that you can actually put a memory card into it and get your pictures like that rather than having the app, I think that's personally the way I would do it. To power it up, you do have the cable it came with. It did come with a power cable. You simply turn it over. Right here where it says DC in, that's where you connect that, and this goes into power. Actually, hold on. Let's set up this stand as well. So the stand, this is the piece it came with. It goes in here. It's gonna tell you put it in and twist it. So like that and twist it. And then it should stand, oh, look at that. It stands upright. Very nice, very nice. Like I said, guys, we're gonna set this up real time. So I am gonna connect the frame right now. The only issue I see, or one thing that I do wanna nitpick at, I'm gonna talk right here. One thing that I do want to nitpick at right now is simply the fact that it does not have a battery. So let's say you do decide to hang it on your wall, you're gonna have to find a way to hide the wire from the power cable to the wall. All right, let's turn it on. It's connected. There it is. I don't know if you guys can see it. Okay, it's turning on. Kodak. Ooh, very nice, very nice. It's loading up. Android is starting. Great. Of course, it's an Android device. Let's see, let's see. Okay, so we have a setup screen. Let's set this up. English, next. Eastern Standard Time, yes. Internet connection. Okay, so I see my network. I'm gonna set it up, be right back. All right, so internet's connected. It did automatically update the time. Now, in this album, as you can see, is a 10-inch screen. It has a nice HD display. You do have album, music, and video capabilities. Now, that's what we're here for, but I think these are added bonuses. You do have a calendar, and since it is synced to Wi-Fi, guys, you do have weather settings. So let's do the calendar real quick. Let's click it. So this would be today's date. This is the calendar. I guess you can add a picture here that you might want, but this is the calendar. And let me just say, guys, it feels fluent. It doesn't feel jittery at all or lagging. Screen feels pretty good. Now, I'm just thinking this is a basic calendar. Unless there's a way to sync this to your actual Google Calendar or your Apple Calendar, you're not gonna have important dates. And let's check the weather. Let's search, enter the city. We are in the good state of New York. New York, New York. Now, yes, it is cold here, guys. It's 28 degrees today, sunny. This is great. This is great for me because I have a teenager who has a phone and we always watch the news in the morning, but she still asks me, Daddy, what's the weather today? Is it cold or is it hot? So now I could just have this plugged in on the weather screen. Hopefully she sees it. She probably won't, but hopefully she will. Let's go back. Let's see the settings here. You have your QR code, which is how we're actually going to send over our pictures. We have internet. You can customize it, change the language, the screensaver type, display mode. You can add alarms, which is good. You can change your time zones, and you can add pictures. Oh, look, you can email pictures to this frame as well. You do have storage. You have 32 gigs of local storage and 10 gigs on a cloud. All right, so let's go to the app, guys, because we do need an app. All right, guys, so for this, I'm going to share my screen. I'm just going to put it right here, put a screen recording up, and let's do this. So we want to go into our app store. Now, this is available for Google Play and Apple iOS devices. So what we're going to want to search is Kodak Classic Frame. Now, I went ahead and downloaded it because you do have to make an account, register, and, give your email and stuff. So I already have it. I'm going to open it. After you make your registration, this is the screen you're going to have. So that's where I got up to. I haven't synced it. Let's add a photo frame, which is going to be the one on my screen. It says scan the QR code. Allow, and now we're going to scan it right here. Loading in progress. No device found. Okay, guys, like I said, we are doing this real time. It's saying no device found. Now, let's try enter the 9-digit code. There is a 9-digit code right here. Device code incorrect. Okay, let's try this again. It keeps saying no device found. Now, let's try the code again. And it regenerates a code every time you try this. So, device code incorrect. Please check it. 646-0777727. Again, guys, this is real time. So if you guys ran into this situation and figured out a way, let me know. Device code incorrect. Please check it. All right, guys, I'll be right back. Let me try to troubleshoot this. Now, what I'm going to go ahead and do is the way I originally intended to use this. I'm going to transfer over some pictures from the laptop onto the photo frame. Actually, from the laptop onto a memory card. I'm going to use a 32 gig SanDisk and just use it on here because I don't know what's going on. It doesn't want to sync to my app. All right, so as the pictures are transferring, I did notice over here, if you go to settings and you go to, where is it? Time zone, pictures. They give you an email. Now, I did decide to go ahead and email myself a picture, and it just came in. As you can see here, now it says new down there. Let's click it. Email. Let's see. Oh, there's the picture right there. Okay, I mean, it looks good. That was just with one, guys. I'm still working on getting the app running, but yeah, for now, I guess the emailing works. You can email yourself pictures and they'll automatically, seamlessly pop up. Let's do it one last time. Come on, I have faith, guys. I have faith. No device found. Can it be? Device coding? Oh my God. Okay. I did see, guys, there is a version update. Let's update it. So it's updating now. Hopefully this fixes the issue. We'll be right back. So let's try this again. Now this app is the Kodak digital. The app I'm using is the Kodak Classic Photo Frame, which is what this is, right? Kodak Classic Photo Frame. Now here it says download the Kodak Classic Digital Frame. I don't know, maybe I missed this because they're two different apps. Okay, you guys are sharing my screen now. They're two different apps. We have the Kodak Classic and the Kodak Digital. Now let's go to the Kodak Digital. We're back here to the same screen. You have not bound the frame. Add new frame. Scan the QR code. Allow. Look at that. Bro. Okay, so it's the Kodak Digital Frame app, not Kodak Classic Photo Frame. I don't know why there's so many different little ones, But it seems like I'm in, guys. All right, so now finally, let's continue this video. You go to uploads, upload photo, allow full access. Now these photos right here are pretty much the latest ones that I have. These are just photos of cars that I've taken. Or you just click them like this. Bam, 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 bam. Car shows. These are photos that you can only select 10 images at once. What? Okay, finish. Select all, next step. My frame, one person, upload. So now it's sending the pictures to here. That was pretty fast. That was pretty fast. Okay, so now let's go to the frame. Here, Mike. There we go. These are all new uploads that I've done. Okay. Bam. Bam. Woo. Bam. Toma. Okay, I don't know why some of them are like not fully extending. That's a Viper, guys. Let's upload a few more photos. Boom, 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 boom. Just like that. Sending it directly from my app to the thing. That was quick. So now we have these pictures in here as well. These are portrait style pictures. You can find all these on my Instagram, guys. I will put them down on my Instagram. I will put my link to my Instagram somewhere around here. I'm going to send a drone video, so it's going to be 4K res. It's compressing the video right now. Let's see how good the videos play out of here. Now, my intention is not to play videos. Oh, that was fast. My intention is not to play videos from this because I feel like they're going to lag. But if they don't, then that'll be cool. Let's see. This is from the drone, guys. The DJI Mini 3. Okay, yeah, that was a super short video. I just wanted to try it. Let me try one more because I see it like lagging. Again, drone footage does not have volume. Okay, yeah. Just as I thought, the video quality is not the best. But that was a wild ride, guys. This was real time, and the reason I want to do it real time was in case I got stuck, which did end up happening, guys. Refresher, there are two different apps. There's the Kodak Classic Photo Frame app and the Kodak Digital Frame app. Now, they're both apps for the same brand. I don't know why they're different entities, but they are. The one you need is the Kodak Digital Frame app, guys. And always make sure your device has the latest update installed. You could go up to the settings, the last screen, or the about screen. Click the update. It'll let you know if it's the one you need. And yeah, again, 3 ways to upload: email, app, or SD card, guys. This, again, Kodak Classic Photo Frame, 10-inch. You get weather on here, which is, for me, is a big plus, the weather. The calendar, not so much. Video, probably never use. Music, definitely never use. But yeah, hopefully someone found this video useful, and catch you guys in the next one. Peace.